So, once upon a time, there was a doctor who looked like a chicken. Boom, Dr. Chicken originality. So, he had personal issues with this evil son of his, so he decided to blow him up. And there's also some guy who looked like a stripper who put a dead body in Daniel's room. Going along these nature trails.
Why'd I even agree to tag along with you?
A new day, a new time to hunt, to fright. Now, whose fear shall I claim today?
Okay, what kind of crime are we supposed to capture in a place like this?
Littering or loitering. A time has come to begin my new reign of terror. And now I shall fly from a tree! Blimey! It's a falling napkin! It appears that he broke his ectoplasm after falling from a tree.
So what you're telling me is that ghosts can die? Is that a bit redundant?
Yes, it is, but it is also evidence. Looks like we'll have to take this to— Oh my god! What has happened to Daniel's room? Of course! It was a robbery! But who can be the one behind it? Some grand investigation must be held. Look at all these cretins, these swines, these vile criminals! Who could be the one behind this fraud? Eureka! I have an idea! Where did all these people come from? Are they all suspects? They all look rather suspicious. So, what are we supposed to do with this thing now, exactly?
I do not know who came up with the idea of your people!
I tell you, boy, I can make fun of the best spaghetti you can ever imagine. Come one and come all, a grand investigation is to be held about the current whereabouts of Daniel's room. This is another one of his practical jokes, right?
I don't think so. Perhaps it was an oversight of his passage.
You're telling me they lost an entire room, a plane of existence separated by 4 walls and a ceiling?
Yeah, guess so.
Well, Super Detective, I guess it wasn't that much of a good idea to try to find suspects on Pripyat. The only thing you'll find out here is 2-headed deer and man-eating tumbleweeds.
I must begin by thanking everyone present for taking time out of their day to arrive to a case as urgent as this one. Everyone is here? Well, at least I think everyone is here. Who needs court cases when you have these important tabloids to catch up to? I'm a slave to the marketing world! Ha-ha! And now for the process of elimination. And I'm not talking about the bowel movement kind. This case is going nowhere. I must find a way to speed it up. Aha! Is it the 4th of July yet, Dr. Chicken?
No?
Doesn't matter. We're going to blow up the Earth anyway.
You've got to be kidding. This is the dumbest idea you've had in a while. I'm not saying something.
With this block convenience button, the Earth is going to blow up in no time like a firecracker on Grandma's birthday.
No, I don't think you get this. This is an awful idea. What do you think you're doing?
You happen to not agree? Let's ask the jury and see what they think of this.
The jury? You killed all of them, knowing what the system is rigged for all clones of yourself.
A vote has been cast, and now I shall cast the lie. Maybe I should press the button again.
In the end, I do not have a house vision.
Well, I suppose there's another job done for I, the one and only super detective. Remember, crime doesn't pay you, it pays me. Up, and away!
Well, now look at what you did, you idiot. We don't even have a planet to live on anymore because of your little idea.
Don't you see? My plans are foolproof. Once they blow up the Earth, Daniel's room will be much easier to find amongst the vast vacuums of space. There's not that much to give him away after all.
Please tell me you were joking when you said that.
Joking? About what? All we have to do is look for all this junk flying around in space.
Yes, of course, Simon Bear should be able to fly like a bird.
Oh, man, what happened to my favorite couch?
Hate to tell you this, but that was what the bomb was made from.
You've gotta be kidding.
No!
Okay, after everything I went through, that was kinda worth it.
You know, I was originally going to ask about Daniel's room, but now I have far more questions than I think I'd even want to have answered.
Discount Space Disco! Count up the times, old man! So, you want to know what happened to Daniel's room, eh?
Yes?
Well, I've got something to tell you. Andy Warhol took it away!
Andy Warhol, what? He's dead!
That's what they want you to think. He's been hiding away with Elvis.
Well then, do you know where they've been?
Oh, you bet I do.
It is true. In space, nobody can hear you scream. Yes, Mr. Floating Warhol Head. I was wondering, do you know about the current whereabouts of Elvis Presley? I think I may want his autograph.
He doesn't talk, Super Detective. I won't even recommend trying to interrogate him.
Oh yes, in Daniel's room! You have stolen Daniel's room, and that is a crime against humanity! I command that you put it back in its proper place!
You can't put Daniel's room back in its proper place, Super Detective! You blew up the Earth!
Well, I guess I'm on my own with this one.
Dr. Chicken, I think I may need backup. Not only have I turned into a tourist attraction, but also a subject of one of his movies.
You think you're the one who's completely forgotten by the rest of the world? And what does that make me?
I don't know, I can't remember.
You've been spoiled by reality! I'm taking you back to where you came from.
Super Detective, I don't know what exactly we're doing here.
Of course you do! We're looking for Daniel's room!
No, what we're really doing here.
Well, I suppose there's another job done for I, the one and only super detective. Remember, crime doesn't pay you, it pays me. Up, and away!
Hello, welcome to Chicken Dads. I'm Bill. Can I take your order?
As the one and only super detective, I order for justice in a world that needs it.
Would you like a side of fries of that, Super Detective?
What I'd like as a side is a way to defeat this villainy which has crippled our society.
Sounds like you're an aspiring superhero who needs a sidekick. That'd be $5.99, sir.
You see, prices are the last thing that we should worry about. Your couch is the thing that we must avenge.